Yo, what up? What unit is this? Shit.
This is 11.
Unit 11.
Unit 11.
Last video of the year.
Woo!
Bro.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
The shorts are back.
Let's get it.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with normal calculations. Now I kind of mixed it up a little bit, and I made a problem about running a 500-meter race. Now the world record for the 500-meter race is 1 minute point 17 nanoseconds. All right, so that's pretty good. That would probably be in like the negative side around like 1%.
That is terrible.
So. For a percent of high school boys who ran between 66 seconds and 74 seconds, it would be 68 seconds, because that is the makeup of how much is between -1 and +1, 66 and 74. We have the mean at 70 and the standard deviation at 4, so it's going to be going from 70, and if you want to go up from 70, it's going to go by 4, so 74, 78, 82, and the same thing backwards, except you're decreasing. So, down to B, what percent of boys are faster than 74 seconds? Just look at our little chart. Everything above 74 seconds. So what you want to do, you want to add 13.5 to 2.35 to 0.15, and you come up with 16%. Now, what percent of boys are between 70 and 78 seconds? We just do it again. 34 plus 13.5 equals 47.5%. That's a bigger percentage. There we go. Now, D, what percent of boys are between 62 and 78 seconds in a 500-meter race? 75. 75 because we're adding all of it together. And we're not counting like the small percentage who are doing really, really bad or really, really, really good. That's the other 5%. What percent of boys are faster than 78 seconds? All we gotta do is find the last right up here, 2.35. And we add it by 0.15, and that's 2.5%. Now, later after the video, I'm gonna run a 500-meter race, and we're gonna have it videotaped. We're gonna time it and see where I'm in the percentage.
All right. So what I'm explaining is creating dot plots, box plots, and histograms. So the question is, I forget it word for word. I can't find it, but it's finding the average of TVs, I think it is. So, a dot plot is that you're going to find out how many times each number goes. So you're going to number it 0 from 10 because 0 is the lowest number in all of these, and 10 is just, you're supposed to go up to 7 because 7 is the highest. So for each number that comes in here, you put a dot. So 1 came to 7 times, 2 went to 8 times, 3 went to 7 times, 4 went to 4 times, 5 went to 2 times, and 7 went to 1 time. So then the box plot, what it is finding the number that comes up the most. So the number that came up the most was 2. Now a histogram is, it's 0 to less than 2, and how many times it comes. That's what frequency means.
Make sure your hand isn't in the way.
Sorry. And then, so 0 to 2 came up 8 times.
You just did it again.
I did? Oh, my bad. 2 to 4 came up 15 times, 4 to 6 came up 6 times, and 6 to 8 came up 1 time. It's pretty simple. Now, to find the mean...
Mean is basically the average.
Yeah, mean is basically adding all the numbers together, right?
Adding all the numbers together and dividing by how much there are.
Exactly.
So we got
2.53. The standard deviation is 1.50, and the median is 2. Now, how you
standard deviation is how much it moves by.
Now, how you figure this out, we're going to look at the calculator now, is...
Median?
For all of it. So you're going to hit stat, edit, then you're going to type in all of these numbers. I should have done it before the video. But what you're going to do is you're going to type in all these numbers. It's going to be 1, 3, 2, 3. Oh, wait, whoops, hang on. 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3. I know this is taking a long time. Please hold. 2, 1, 5, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 7, 1, 1, 2. Awesome. So now we got it, right? So now what you're going to do is you're going to hit stat again. You're going to go to the right to calc, and you're going to hit the 1 var status.
One bar step.
You're going to click that, and then you're going to hit second L1, enter. All this is going to come out. This AX is your standard deviation, which is 1.49, but we rounded it up to 1.50. Your 5-number summary is you scroll down. Your minimum is 0. Your Q1 is 1. Median is 2. Q3 is 3. And maximum is 7. That's exactly what I got for the 5-number summary. Okay. Your median is 2. And the mean, like Cole said, is you add all the numbers, you get them together. Now, to find the IQR, you minus your Q3 and Q1, which is 3 minus 1, and you get 2. Now, to describe the graph, we're going to go to this paper right here, the gray paper, explain this to you. These are the different types of the graph: unimodal, bimodal, multimodal, skewed left, symmetric, and skewed right. The most common ones are the unimodal and symmetric. So what we got here is we got unimodal, skewed right. The reason why we got that is because this graph goes like this, straight up like that, and it's symmetric unimodal.
Do you want to draw it really quickly?
Sure, why not? So, it's going to go like this. Terrible scribble. I don't know if you can see it. Let me redo it. And there you go. There's your graph. There's your dot plots. Yeah.